Good morning everyone. Chapter 2 exercise 2b which is going on. So let's start. Look at your question number 5. Factorize. Here is statement is given to you x plus y of whole square minus 3x minus 3y plus 2. Now for this you have to look at the statement. Is it any common number and any factor we can make? Yes, we can take a 3 as a common number. So x plus y of whole square you will be write down as it is, then minus 3 you have taken as a common, so inside x plus y will be left, so plus 2 you will be write down as it is. Now see beta, ये x plus y of whole square है और ये अकेला x plus y है, मीन्स वैल्यू दोनों की क्या है, सेम है. सो फॉर दिस जस्ट लेट इट x plus y इज इक्वल टू z टू मेक इट ईजी. अब अगर मैं इसको z मान रही हूँ तो ये बन जाएगा z स्क्वायर माइनस 3 x plus y वैल्यू इज z एंड प्लस 2. नाउ इट्स बिकम योर प्रीवियस क्वेश्चंस विच वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस सो मेनी टाइम्स. So what is your first step? Just do the multiply with first number and a last number. So by this I will get multiple of 2z square and in center you need a minus 3z. So which two numbers you can take to make a factors? Minus 2z and minus 1z, because minus minus plus, by this I will get minus 3z. 2z into z I will get 2z of square. So z square and plus 2 you will be write down as it is. Now combine first two terms and combine last two terms. So take a common number. Z I have taken common, so inside z minus 2 will be left. So from here nothing is common, then it means 1 we will take as a common, so inside z minus 2. Now your verification is your bracket value should be same, z minus 2 is same. So write down the common part and write down the left of the numbers. Here is z minus 1. Now we know that your z value is x plus y. Just put it x plus y and minus 2. Z value is x plus y minus 1. So this is your answer. Clear? Now look at your B part. 2a cube x square minus 5a square x minus 12a. Now beta, in this question is it any common number we can take? Yes, a we can take a common, so a I have taken common. So inside 2a square x square minus 5ax minus 12. Now see, ax and ax variables are same, so it means you can let it ax is equal to y, any variable you can let. Clear? Z, b, w, whatever. So I have let it y. Now it means here it will y of square and minus 5y minus 12. Afterwards, now it's become your previous question. Just do the multiply with first number and last number. By this I will get minus 24y square. Then in center I need a minus 5y. So which two numbers I can take? 8 and 3. Minus 8 plus 3. Minus 8 plus 3 is minus 5. Minus 8 into 3 is minus 24. So now combine first two terms, combine last two terms, take a common number. 2y I have taken as a common, so inside y minus 4, and from these statements I have taken 3 as a common, so y minus 4 will be left. Then in your next step write down common part, then inside 2y plus 3 which numbers will be left, just write down in your second bracket. So now we know that y value is your ax, so just put it ax minus 4, here is 2ax plus 3, a will be write down as it is. So this is your answer. Clear? Now look at your C part. X plus 1 of whole square plus x minus 5. Here is square is given to you and here is only x is given to you. First statement is x plus 1, second is only x, so we cannot let any number. So for this just open the square. A plus b of square, use the identity a square plus b square plus 2ab. यहाँ पर बेटा हम फैक्टराइज नहीं कर सकते और ना ही किसी को लेट कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि ना ही कोई कॉमन आ रहा है। क्लियर? तो इसके लिए आपने क्या किया, पहले इस स्क्वायर को क्या कर लिया, a प्लस बी स्क्वायर आइडेंटिटी यूज कर ली, a स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस x माइनस 5 राइट डाउन एज इट इज। नाउ कंबाइन द लाइक टर्म्स, x स्क्वायर 2x plus x is 3x, then 1 minus 5 is minus 4. Then in your next step just do the multiply first number and last number. By this I will get minus 4x square, and in addition I need a 3x. So which two numbers, 4x and minus 1x. So from here combine first two terms, combine last two terms. This is your homework, so please try it. Next D part is x plus 2 and x plus 3 minus 12. So solve it first two brackets. Take a first from first bracket, just you have to break it the numbers, and in second bracket you will be write down as it is. So for first bracket I have taken x and write down second whole bracket, then plus 2 write down second whole bracket minus 12. Then do the multiply first to first, x square I will get, x into 3 3x plus 2 into x 2x plus 2 into 3 is 6, then minus 12. Now combine the like terms, x square अकेला है, 3x plus 2x is 5x, 6 minus 12 is minus 6 because 12 is greater and in front of 12 is minus is given to you. Now from here you can solve it. So I have given also hint to you, these two numbers will make a factors. Okay, so please try it. Now next is E part. This one is also your homework because it is same like your D part. Now look at your F part, x plus 1 of whole square plus x plus 2 of whole square. Now again here is nothing is common and same, so it means we have to solve the bracket. So x plus 1 of whole square means a plus b of whole square. Again here a plus b of whole square, so apply it and solve it. Calculation, combine the like terms, here is x square it's 2x square, 4x 2x 6x, 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 minus 13 is 8. Now is it any common number? Yes, 2 we can take as a common, so I have taken 2. So inside x square plus 3x minus 4. You can make the factors from here also, or after take a common number. आप यहाँ से भी इसके फैक्टर्स बना सकते हो अगर बन रहे हैं, या फिर कॉमन लेने के बाद भी इसके फैक्टर्स बना सकते हो. इट्स योर चॉइस, दोनों के ही फैक्टर्स बन रहे हैं. सो दिस इज योर होमवर्क, प्लीज ट्राई इट. नेक्स्ट जी पार्ट, x square minus a plus 1 by ax plus 1. So first of all we will see, is there any common number? No. Any square? No. Just bracket is given to you, so solve the bracket. x square I am solving with combine, माइनस को भी साथ में लेके चल रही हूँ और साथ में ही मल्टीपल को भी सॉल्व कर रही हूँ. माइनस a इंटू एक्स प्लस माइनस माइनस 1 by a x. क्लियर? देन प्लस अगर मैं यहाँ पे 1 लिखती तो मेरा बेटा कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं आता, तो इसके लिए मैंने क्या किया, यही a इंटू 1 by a फॉर्म को यूज कर लिया. a इंटू 1 by a इज, बाय दिस आई विल गेट ओनली 1. इसके थ्रू भी मेरा क्या आएगा, 1 नहीं आएगा. तो इसीलिए मैंने क्या किया, a इंटू 1 by a लिख लिया. क्यों? बाय दिस मैं नेक्स्ट स्टेप में इसमें से 1 by a कॉमन ले सकती हूँ. दैट्स वाई आई हैव टेकन दीज टू नंबर्स. क्लियर? ये स्टेप ध्यान से समझना. 1 को बेटा मैंने a इंटू 1 by a लिख लिया क्योंकि मुझे यहाँ से कॉमन लेना था. अगर मैं 1 नहीं लिखती तो मेरा कुछ भी नंबर कॉमन नहीं आता. दैट्स वाई आई हैव रिटन a इंटू 1 by a. Now combine first two terms, combine last two terms. From here I have taken x as a common, so inside x minus a, and from third and fourth statement I have taken 1 by a, so inside x minus a. क्योंकि देखो a into 1 by a ये बन रहा है ना, a into 1 by a, this one. So now your verification is bracket value should be same. अब ये same भी आ गई है, and in second bracket just write down the left of the numbers, means x minus 1 by a. So this is your answer. So thanks and have a nice day.